So, welcome again to our channel. Sunyogi Umasankar is with us. We're just gonna talk about the five elements because you mentioned them several times through our last talks. So, could you please explain for our viewers, please?
It's a very important five element. How life was started through the five element, and all of the problem comes from the life. So all of the source of that five element is required to understanding. So cosmic energy means universe, universal cosmic energy converted to the photon energy, which is the sun, which is the light. And then from the cosmic photon energy, it's created the five element energy. First, earth was part of the sun. That time, earth inside also was the same light form. Nothing was there. Then when it was become a solidiform, first that light form becomes solid form. That first solid was the atom, which is invisible part, but it's a solid part, and which called the space element. So earth was become a space element. Then that two atom when got atmosphere to make a bond, then it becomes a molecule. And when that atmosphere was created and molecular form when was created, and then molecular form is a fire element, and fire element was created. It was great mystery when Babaji, Mahavatar Babaji was showing me all things. And I, be a science student, I could not trust, because we used to know sun is a fireball. Then I put question, how? If sun is a fireball, then how nature is created second time to the fire element? Is it not wasting the energy? Then Babaji took me to the space, and sun has no fire, because those space scientists used to go to the space, they are not feeling the fire, any hotness, because sun is a photon element, sun is not fire element. Second, Babaji clear me very well. Bring me to chemistry laboratory. Told me, touch the acid bottle. It is a normal temperature. Then told me, touch to the water bottle. It's a normal temperature. Then told me, you now mix together. And when we mix together, then it bombasting heat is there. So acid inside there was no fire, and water inside there was no fire. It generate fire. So if water can be generated here, nature can generate fire element. It's proved. So fire element comes from the nature. It not from the sun. It's created here. It's proved. So atom is space element, and two atoms mixed together, it becomes a molecule. It is a fire element created. Now when mixed molecules, some mixed molecules are connected, at least three molecules has to be together, then it becomes air molecules. As oxygen molecules cannot be say the air, nitrogen molecules cannot be say air, it is a gas form, means it's a molecular form. And hydrogen molecule, it cannot be gas, it cannot be air element. So three together, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, then it becomes air. So at least three, it can be more. So mixture molecule cannot be created first, molecule has to be created first. So fire element is first, after the space element, fire element, then air element created. Now six air molecules, when it's become together, it makes a six corner form. It is called the water element. That is called hexagon. Hexagon when it makes, that is called the water element. Now when two hexagon of water molecules is become together, then it becomes a earth element. So that's why five element comes from the cosmic energy, from the photon energy. Then first it was atom, which is the space element, then molecule, which is the fire element, mixed molecule, which is the air element, mixed air molecule which is become water element, and after that water element it's coming the solid glass, means that is the solid earth element. So when that all the earth element, 5 element was created, still there was no life, because there we require some percentage. Earth element 1%, 3 times of earth is the water element. So they are also in the same. To get a single alive cell, we need 1 element of the earth element, 3 elements of water element, 9 elements of air element, 27 elements of fire element, and 81 elements of our space element. Then 1:3:9:27:81, and it is a very interesting scientific ratio: 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 3, and 3 to the power 4. So when that ratio will get the 5 element, then it becomes a one single life was created. So life, when first one cell amoeba, entamoeba, algae, from the algae life was started in the water element, water inside. Next become we are human, and every living being is suffering some diseases, some imbalance of their energy. So that 5 element energy gives us our life. By the 5 element energy we are living, and when we will go, we have to go by the 5 element energy. So 5 element energy is the source of our life. 5 element energy is the life what we are living, that source of our life, and our end also by the 5 element energy. So that 5 element energy balancing is the most important life for the peaceful, healthy life. Thank you. Thank you.